Hello parents, have you ever noticed your little ones confusing their B's, D's, P's or Q's when reading? Or maybe they struggle to notice the small details in a puzzle? That is completely normal for ages 3 to 5. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful visual perception and discrimination activities that you can easily do at home to build their essential pre-reading and math skill. And the best part is, I have made all 5 of these activities into a completely free printable PDF pack for you. You can find the download link right in the description box below. Let's dive in. Letter color matching activity. As you can see, there are 4 letters that look similar: P, Q, B and D. Each letter has a special color code at the top. The child has to find the letters in the circle below and color them to match the key at the top. For example, for P, code is red. Then the children must find all the P's and color them red. If your child flips their letters or mixes up B and D, don't worry. This simple coloring game teaches their brain to spot the difference through play. As there are many scattered circles, to finish this activity, child has to look at the page line by line without skipping circles. This builds concentration, patience and visual tracking skills. In this activity, children play a fun hands-on sorting game with cute hand-drawn snowman. Each snowman is wearing specific colored hat like red, green and has a specific geometry shape for a body like triangle, circle and so on. Using the colorful pattern paper cutouts, your child has to match both the color of the hat and the shape of the body, find the correct matching cutout and place it on the right snowman. To find the right spot for a cutout, a child's eye must scan across all the different snowmen, filter out the ones that don't match, isolate the exact one with a matching hat and shape combination. This builds excellent visual tracking and focus. In this activity, as you can see, there are 4 sample ladders at the top, each pointing in a completely different directions: straight up, tilted right, tilted left and lying flat. Below them is a scattered mix of parallel lines facing those exact same directions. Child must look at the direction of the lines, match them to the correct ladder at the top and draw the missing steps to complete the ladders. Young ones often focus only on what an object looks like, ignoring its position. This activity forces them to think about spatial orientation, that is, understanding if an object is vertical, horizontal or slanted. This is a critical skill for understanding math graphs, geometry and tracking lines of text. And many kids write numbers and alphabets backward. By training their eyes to tell the difference between left slant and right slant, they build a precise visual memory needed to write shape and letters correctly. This activity may look simple, but matching these different slants is a massive brain workout for kids. In this activity, as you can see, a sequence of 3 different shapes on the left, each filled with specific color. On the right, those exact same shapes are combined to build a little house. The child must act like a detective to decode the secret house. The leftmost shape becomes roof and the middle one becomes the window and the rightmost square becomes wall. The child's goal is to find the house that has exact same color combination. This activity introduces brilliant early coding logic. Your child has to look at a flat line of shapes on the left and mentally decode how they assemble into a 3D looking house on the right. It forces the brain to translate data from one format to another. Most basic color games just ask a kid to match one color like blue to blue. But in this activity, a child can't just look at one color. They have to cross-check all 3 colors in the exact sequential order. If even one color is wrong, then the house is mismatched. This builds elect focus and attention to detail. In this activity, at the top, as you can see, there is a special key showing 4 different emoji faces inside those circles: a happy pink face, neutral yellow face, a sad red face and an angry green face. Here, the child's task is to look at each blank colored circle in the grid, check the key at the top, draw the matching feeling or emotion inside the correct color circle. This activity is incredibly special because it connects logic with emotions. Your child has to look at the grid and draw the correct facial expressions inside each color circle. It is an amazing way to practice visual scanning for reading while talking about feelings together. And these are our 5 visual perception and discrimination activities. As you can see, turning a playtime into a powerful brain workout doesn't require expensive toys, just a few simple, thoughtful patterns. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in next video.